Hello and welcome to Pronto Hire. We've got everything you need for your next project. Check out all our equipment at prontohire.co.nz. We'll have you covered. We want to make sure you get the most out of your equipment that you hire, so let's get into this quick demonstration. Okay, before we proceed, we just need to make sure there's a few safety aspects covered off. You want to make sure that you're on reasonably flat, stable ground and that no one's within the swing area of your machine. First thing, we're going to just put the bucket onto the ground, nice and flat, and then we're just going to take the weight off the pins so that the hitch can remove freely. Now, one thing worth noting about these Yanmar machines is that they don't have a manual locking pin. From the size 2.5 up to our 10-ton Yanmars, they just have an automatic double locking system whereby the secondary safety lock won't release unless it receives a signal from the cab. So you can lose all hydraulics, but the safety tab will keep the buckets locked on. Okay, so back in the cab, we've got the quick hitch control box over here. You just flip this cover over, then you activate the power by pushing the red button, and you'll hear that tone that lets you know that the quick hitch has got power to it. Twist the dial to dismount, pins will retract. While it's buzzing, don't try and attempt to lift any loads because the bucket may or may not be secure. Okay, so to attach your bucket, it's just a matter of doing that in reverse. Activate the power, make sure the coupler is set to dismount. You'll see that it's retracted nicely, so we can then hook onto the front pin. Crowd it around and up slightly. Set the lever or the coupler to mount. You'll see the rear hook extend out and hook onto the rear of the bucket. Turn the power off and do a quick safety check. I like to just jiggle to ensure that the pin is caught. Another method is to slightly put a bit of pressure on and crowd out, and that will ensure that the pin is locked on securely. And that's it. Power off the quick hitch, do your safety check, and you're good to go. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe. We've got loads more videos coming up. Any questions? Leave them in the comment section below. We'll get back to you. We look forward to seeing you on the next video.